Hey YouTube, Shay here. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today we're going to be trying to refresh this combo crochet I did. It's Egyptian curl and valley wave. So we're going to go and try to see how I've got it up in this bun. Y'all know me. Y'all know I live dangerously, right? So that means I really haven't done no shower cap. I definitely haven't done any kind of bonnets. I done had it up, I done had it down. I did all kinds of things. So it's, beginning to frizz and it's beginning to show, a little signs of wear and tear. Yeah, I'm not going to wash this crochet, but my girl Lia Lavon is. If you want to know how to wash this particular brand crochet, then go check out Lia Lavon's video. I'll definitely have a link in the description box when it's out. Let's get into this video. Okay. So let's see what the damage is. So see, it's like one on some of it. It's not too bad though. It's not what I thought it would have been. Obviously, like this is one whole clump. But I think this hair is going to be fairly easy to renew. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to split it. Ooh, oh, that hurt. Okay. Split it down the middle best I can. Just gonna have a hold on what I'm doing here. Let's see. All right, so what I'm gonna do, this is my first time ever wearing this hair. So like I said, we're gonna try to bring it back to life. It ain't a guarantee, we're gonna see. Okay, and hopefully it'll bring it back to life. But if not, I got some hair on the side, just in case I got to put them in the game, just in case I got to put it in the game, because this might be a wrap, but we're going to try it. So what I'm doing first is just mixing it with some water. And no, I'm not going to brush this. I know I brushed the Kima Ocean Wave and I brushed a lot of other ones, but this is too strong of a crimp pattern and I just feel like it'll get way, way, way too big. But I do want to dampen it up because you want some kind of slippage. And I really don't see the point in applying a product at this point because I don't even know if I'm going to be successful. So all I'm doing is just kind of pulling it apart. So pull that one apart. Now, if you have the patience, you can go, one strand at a time. I'm doing that right now, but I can tell you by the end of this video, I won't be. Okay. So right now it's doing, I was gonna say right now it's doing pretty good. It's pretty easy, but okay. See, and I think it's gonna be some pieces like this, more pieces like this, that, see that? I'm probably gonna have to cut that. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Oh yeah. See this whole knots coming out. Can you see that? Yeah. I'm going to speed this section up, put some music on, and y'all can see how it's gonna turn out. All right. So that was half of it. So see, it's separated, and then you got this. See, so I still got a clip because I don't know if you can see all of this hanging off of it. There we go. See that? Yeah. Alright, so now that we're done separating it, now of course there's like still knots that I couldn't like break my way through. So, and then I'm left with like, you can see this on this background. Maybe not. Yeah, there we go. All this stuff hanging from it. So let's go through and trim it some. And I don't believe I'm going to be able to keep the length that I have. We're going to see. So I'm going to get this stuff off. Just cut that. Now, I guess you could leave it like this, but I know that when I was going through it, there were places that still had like knots, like this right here, that can go. And then like back here, it's still very rough. Like, you know how synthetic hair gets when it's just like been through someone that's been wet over and over again, and it kind of has this, I don't know, this roughness to it. Even after, you know, you get the matte part out, it still just feels rough. And like it's not, the curl is not really there. Like this is a piece that feels like that. See, it doesn't really have any crimp to it either. So it's just stuff like that that I want to try to get out. And so I'm gonna just kind of trim it in a downward section, in a downward motion, because most of the things, like most of the kinks that I tried to get out that I couldn't, I at least got it to the bottom. And the stuff that's kind of matted, except for this strand. I honestly might find this, like find it in my braid, and honestly just take that whole strand out because it just doesn't look good. It depends on how much it bothers me, but I'm just gonna cut it out so I don't have that issue with it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna, probably should have went in my bathroom so y'all could see me cutting it better, but hopefully you still get what you need out of this. You see, like this end is really like rough. So at the end, I'm gonna try to give you my final thoughts on the comeback of this hair, and then also, I mean, you guys of course form your own opinion on what you think, you know, if it's worth the investment. I think that length looks good. What do you think? I think it looks good. So let's go with that one. See the difference though. But it definitely moves better than it did, like without question. Because I got those pieces out that just would not separate by hand. I pulled them out to the end so that I knew when I trimmed it, they would go away. So it definitely gives it more. See? And then if you want to, if you know you're gonna keep it, if you like it, you know, and it's just maybe a little dull, then, you know, put you something on there that doesn't have alcohol in it, to give it some sheen. Some kind of oil would be fine. Some people will use mousse, but most mousse has alcohol in it, especially like the alcohol. Not the other kind that's actually kind of good for your hair, but just like alcohol. And it'll look shiny for a minute, but then like in a couple of days it'll start to frizz, and of course it gets hard and dry, and so I wouldn't suggest like the, you know, like the dollar store version of mousse if that's what you decide to use. But I mean, personally, if I wanted to add some more sheen, I'm probably gonna use like an oil, like a coconut oil, just rub a little bit in my hand and go through it with it. I actually kind of like this one. I didn't think that I would. I don't know why. Okay with it. See? That's pretty cute. And see, it's got movement again. You know, I like to be able to throw my crochets around, honey. Throw it around, flip it. I don't know. I think it's cute though. I'm okay with it. I'm not mad at it. I think it's cute with this length. I never would have thought it would be as cute with this length, but I'm not mad at it. Okay. think I'm good now. So I need the camera so you can see. I like it. Alright, so my thoughts on this hair. Again, this hair is Egyptian curl and valley wave. So I did a combo blend on this hair. It initially was an 18, well, one was an 18 inch and one was a 14 inch, but I kind of blended it because it was going to be layered anyway. So if you haven't seen the installation video, please go check that video out. Also, if you want the full review on this hair, how it behaves and everything, what to do with it, all that stuff, check out my girl Lia Lavon, because she has a review on this hair. Well, I believe she wears it for almost about 6 weeks, and Lia knows her stuff, so definitely go check her out when you're done watching this video and after you hit that subscribe button, of course. Also, if you want to learn how to wash this hair and things to do with that, Lia also has you on that end, so go check that out. So anyway, like I said, if you want to see it being installed, then check out my other video. I'll link it below. But as far as the snapback, I'm sure that's something else, but we're gonna use it for crochet today. As far as the snapback on this hair, I give it a 7. I give it a 7 because, I mean, yes, I did have to cut some of it, but the style ended up being cute anyway, so I'm not even mad at it. And I mean, overall, I didn't even have to use like any kind of other product but water. If anything else that I apply to this, it would just be extra, you know, it would just be the sauce, you know, like, so to just spray water on it and it still has this curl pattern, like it hasn't gotten lost, you know, like most crochets will. I mean, and it's not really frizzy. It was never an issue with frizzing. It just kind of was getting ready to mat together a bit. So, you know, I wanted to make sure to go through and just separate the curl. So, I mean, I give the Refresh a 7. I think it worked out. I feel like it's not bad, and I feel like I could probably get another 2 weeks out of it. And I believe I've had it in going on about 3 weeks now. So that's not bad for this hair. You know, it's not expensive at all. So I feel like you're going to get your money's worth. So thank you for watching. If you like it, you know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this hair, hit me in the comments. Peace and blessings.